Hello, this is Mrs. Walton. I'm on the Davis School District homepage. I am choosing Quick Links and down the menu finding Office 365. When I reach Office 365, I have different applications, and I'm going to choose the Teams application where I will find assignments and files and posts. If I click on Posts, I can actually find my assignments. As Mrs. Walton creates assignments, they show up on the posts. All you would have to do is click on that. Going to Assignments. An assignment I need to do, for example, I would click on, this is what you see. And there is a document attached here. If there is not a document attached, Mrs. Walton assigned it incorrectly. I will open the document, different options for how you want to open it. I will edit the document, and since this opened in Teams, I won't have to save it. But the others I would have to save. Let me show you an example of an assignment I did incorrectly. Last week's article of the week, if I go to the student view, this is a picture. This is not the document you need to turn in. So, since Mrs. Walton made the mistake, you're clear on this one and don't have to finish the document. When I go to see that someone has turned this in, I will see, uh-oh, I didn't attach the document. And so that assignment will not be graded against you. We're all learning here. This is something that I am learning. I have also learned that there are other documents I tried to assign and did not complete. So, your teacher is just like you. I'm learning. When you want to turn in an assignment, this is what you do. You go to Assignment. You open the assignment. You will have a student view. You will open the reference material. You will type answers in the reference material and follow the directions in the reference material. Right here, I need to edit. Right here, edit, and put my answers. And then it will save to my name, and Mrs. Walton can look at my assignment. I know that you will still be confused. I am still confused, but we're working on it. This is Mrs. Walton out.